Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Let's look at the updates that made the headlines today. On social media platform X, Malala Yousafzai, the Nobel Peace Prize winner, condemned the Gaza hospital airstrike, which killed over 500 people. She donated $300,000 to 3 charities helping the Palestinian people in the ongoing war. She also urged the Israeli government to allow humanitarian aid into Gaza and reiterated the call for peace. The US resumed deportation flights to Venezuela on October 18 under the Biden administration's latest attempts to deal with the increasing number of asylum seekers. This is the first time in years that US immigration authorities are deporting people to the South American nation facing an economic crisis. The first plane, a Boeing 737 jet, took off from the Texas border city with over 130 passengers. The Supreme Court issued a notice to the Delhi police seeking a response to petitions filed by the NewsClick founder and editor Prabir Purkayastha and HR head Amit Chakrabarti challenging their arrest in the UAPA case. The court sought a response by October 30. The two have been charged by the city police for allegedly receiving funds to disseminate pro-China propaganda under the Anti-Terror Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Former Prime Minister and JDS Secular National President H.D. Deve Gowda announced the dismissal of Karnataka Unit President CM Ibrahim. In addition, Gowda dissolved the State Working Committee and appointed his son, former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, as the temporary leader of the party's state unit. Ibrahim had recently dissolved the State Working Committee to protest the formation of an alliance with the BJP. In a tragic incident in Bengaluru, a car struck a group of pedestrians, resulting in the death of a 23-year-old woman named Rupa Shri. 4 others were injured in the accident, which occurred around 4 p.m. near the corporation swimming pool. The driver, identified as Kamalesh Baldev, fled the scene after the incident. Authorities are investigating the case. The Karnataka government is considering a ban on firecrackers in Bengaluru during Deepavali due to the recent fire mishap in Attibele that claimed 16 lives. The authorities have already decided not to grant permission for cracker shops in Attibele and are planning to crack down on vehicles bringing crackers from Tamil Nadu's Hosur. The Home Minister G. Parameshwara mentioned that discussions are underway to bring new laws and amendments to prevent such incidents. The government is also contemplating whether to allow or ban the bursting of crackers in Bengaluru during Deepavali, taking into account the safety concerns and incidents in other cities. In a heart-stopping incident at Ramlila Maidan, a giant wheel malfunctioned, leaving around 20 people, including women and children, trapped. Thanks to the prompt response from the Delhi Fire Service, all individuals were safely rescued from the swing. Dabur India announced that its 3 foreign subsidiaries were among the companies sued by the US and Canada over the alleged use of hair relaxer products that caused cancer and other health issues. The 3 subsidiaries are Namaste Laboratories, Dermoviva Skin Essentials and Dabur International. FMCG stated that currently there are 5,400 cases against its subsidiaries and several other companies. After experiencing a 20% decline in sales during its third quarter due to the dull market for 5G equipment in North America, telecom group Nokia has announced that it will be laying off 14,000 jobs as part of its cost-cutting strategy. Nokia plans to save between 800 million and 1.2 billion euros by 2026. It expects to reduce its workforce from 86,000 to between 72,000 and 77,000 employees, representing a 16% job cut at the high end. After suffering an injury during a World Cup qualifying game against Uruguay, Brazilian footballer Neymar will undergo knee surgery on his left leg. As a result of the accident, he has a torn ACL and meniscus. His team lost to Uruguay with a score of 2-0. It is unclear how long it will take for him to recover and return to the game. Well, these were the latest updates for the day. For latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.